Jeez, you just burnt it.
I took a break and went to go see some friends for the weekend. But now, back to work. So, today's going to be a fairly minimal day. Well, that's pretty exciting. Okay, so I was looking at what we've got to do. I want to get to a point where if I can start putting the roof on this thing, that would be cool. The main steps left before I can do that, I need to make more of these. So those will go, can you see? Those will go like right there, right there, right there. Because I obviously want to make sure that the roof is secured quite well. The last thing I would want is for the roof to start, flying off while driving down the road. That would be bad. I think that's enough of that. Let's just get to work. I have a lot of holes to drill. These are the brackets I'm making, right? Cool. I have to do all those. And that makes me think of the other brackets that I'm gonna have to do. That's like 100 brackets. I'm debating, feel like it wouldn't be a dumb idea to get a drill press. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get a drill press. I was only a little stupid. So they had an $80 drill press, but then they had one that was a little bit nicer for $150. And then they had one that was much nicer for $200, and so that was a no-brainer. But then they didn't have that one in stock, and they only had the full-size floor drill press for $300. So I got that one. That's the drill press I have now. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna find a space for it in the container, because that's where it's gonna live. We're gonna set that up, and then we're gonna drill some holes. That is amazing. I'm very happy with this machine. Like, look at that. I just did, I don't know how many of those, a whole bunch of these. I think it's time to go weld them, actually. And then I'm good to put, plywood on. Now we have brackets. That was, honestly, that whole thing went super easy. Kind of having a break was nice. I'm definitely more like, all right, just do the thing, get it done. Okay, I stalled long enough again. It's time to do the last step. It's the last little bit of stuff I have to do today. And then we are good. Wow, that's pretty. Look at that, look at that. It kind of doesn't show up very nice on this, but yeah. On occasion, it's not so bad here. Only on occasion. All right, that's it. Oops, I missed a spot. Tomorrow we can put a roof on this thing. And I mean, honestly, I think I do not see any reason why we cannot put all 4 sheets of plywood up tomorrow, paint them, do all the stuff. If I can't do that, I'm doing something very wrong. This is definitely going to be a little bit on the clumsy side, but All right, that actually worked pretty well. Already it's a lot nicer in here. I don't think this is gonna take anywhere near as long as I was kind of thinking it might. So I don't know what that means. Time to get these 2 pieces of wood up there. So, yeah. That is a roof. Here we are. There we go. Look at that. How exciting. Obviously that is the first of multiple steps to do here. So I mean, there is that whole part, the attic thing. Like the next big step is, it's getting some FRP up there. So it's waterproof and done from that side, because then the other side of the roof is just the underside. One of the next big steps is getting the side panels on. We're pretty close to that. I'm done. I got nothing. That's gonna be it for this episode. Next time, I don't know what I'm gonna be working on just yet. Next time, I gotta finish the roof and then probably start on the siding. So, thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.